What's going on, guys? Matt Steinman here, digital lifestyle entrepreneur with Armor Marketing. Today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can model what successful people are doing and tell exactly how successful they are, and also how to get some of your emails written for you. So we're going to jump right on into this. I'm going to share my screen here. And as you can see, I am gonna be using clickbank.com as a resource. I'm sure many affiliate marketers are familiar with Clickbank, so I basically use it research to see, what successful offers, how they're created, how their landing pages are built, kind of offers, what kind of graphical elements are they using to promote, and what their emails look like. So a lot of these vendors actually put everything out there, like the emails and everything that they're creating. So as you can see here, I don't use Clickbank very much at all. Again, just for research purposes, but feel free to dive in and start with their affiliate marketing stuff. It can be very lucrative. I know a lot of people who are successful with it. So I'm gonna jump on into kind of how we're gonna look at some of these offers and how we're gonna model, I said model, not copy, some of these vendors' emails. So we're gonna come up here to the top to Marketplace. So as you can see over here on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of different categories. You can actually select on, one of these on the side here and niche down a little bit. So for example, if you are in the photography niche, you can see what offers are out there for photography. There's business and investing, computers and internet. So, email services, programming software, web design. And then the other way to search, if you want to find the top products on Clickbank, the entire Clickbank system, all you have to do is come up here to where it says find products. Don't type anything in here, just hit the search. And these are the top performing vendors on Clickbank. So they're making a ton of money when they're up here on this first page. So you can see there's 4,064 results that are displaying. So as you can see here, offers, so average sale is $36.45. So feel free to promote these. I don't really recommend it unless this is your niche and you can speak intelligently on it and help your customers, help your potential customers. So let's just click on into this one and see what's going on here, the Cinderella solution. So you can see here the landing page. Now, this doesn't look like anything special, but it's converting like crazy. And how do you know? Because it's the #1 offer on Clickbank right now. So a lot of these, you can, you want to mirror what they're doing here, but also most of these pages have affiliate links down at the bottom. So we're going to click on the affiliate links and see what they are offering. So here is another amazing example of how to create a landing page. So obviously, again, this is converting like crazy. This is just for the affiliates to actually get people to promote for them. #1 on Clickbank. So you can see the graphics here that they create, top notch. Here's your affiliate link. You put in your, if you do actually register with Clickbank, you get a little affiliate, it's called a hop link. You would just put your affiliate ID in there, but that's not what we're going to be talking about today. So you can see some of the banners and images that they're using. So this is probably for, like Google ads, Google display ads, landing pages. They have a ad quiz lander. Obviously they're using ClickFunnels here. They want to get you into the ClickFunnels ecosystem. So Facebook ad images. So this is what's working right now on Facebook for this offer. So it's adds a little curiosity there. Carbs pairing really works, kind of piques your interest. You want to click on that. So here we go, Facebook ad copy. This is stuff that you want to model, guys. You don't want to copy it, you want to model it. This is what's working. I highly recommend looking at this stuff. Even if you're not in it looked like this was weight loss stuff. Even if you're not in the weight loss niche, you need to come in here to these different offers and see what they're doing. So here's email swipes. Emails written for you. 22 pounds gone. Let's see. So they're using a Google Doc here. No big deal. Subject, 22 pounds gone in 13 days with this strange carb pairing trick. Talk about curiosity, guys. So they basically have these emails written for you. You can use these tweak them to however you want. And you can see there's 11 people actually in this document right now looking at it, because this is such a huge offer. People are converting. So another thing you want to look at, I'm going to jump out of that one for now, is this gravity score. This is just it's a Clickbank thing. So the higher the gravity score, the more sales that vendor is getting. So let's say we are in the weight loss. You know what? Let's go to make money offer. And I know John Crestani is in the top here. Keto. So if you're into the keto stuff, there's resources. There's a Ted's workbook. This thing has been converting forever. People making a killing off of that. Yoga burn. If you're into, if you're selling health, fitness stuff, and your niche is yoga, might be a good one for you to actually either sell or kind of go in and see what they're doing and model what they're doing. Okay, so this is a big one here. Super affiliate system by John Crestani. $500 per sale, because I know his program is, I believe it's $1,000. So let's jump into there and see if we can see what's going on here. So this is his landing page that he's built. As you can see, all the disclaimer stuff down there at the bottom, but that's not really what we want. We want to actually click on into his JV program with his, it's called a joint venture program. So here's the affiliate page right down there. This is his affiliate landing page. He's got a promo video there. It's pretty long, actually. Top selling BizOp product on Clickbank, $997. Let's go down to his promo emails. So he's giving you these videos here. He's giving you these webinar slides. So here's a swipe of his emails that he sends out. So if you guys are into the make money niche and you want to send out better written emails, this is gold, guys. I don't know why these guys actually share everything out here on websites that people can get to, but so here you go. Here's email number 1, 1.5 million in 5 months. How he did it. Another curiosity. Pique your curiosity so people actually click on it. So this is his email. Obviously, you can come in here and tweak whatever you need to tweak. Write your own story, whatever you need to do. Here's email. Let's see, this one goes out Tuesday. So one day later, we're going to send out this one. And obviously, you guys are going to need an email autoresponder. I highly recommend Aweber if you're doing anything with affiliate marketing. They're pretty much the only one that allow affiliate links inside their emails. Anybody else, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, you're going to get banned. So I would highly recommend Aweber. There is a link down below in the description in this video for Aweber. Let's see here, Wednesday. So email number 2, another email sent out on Wednesday. So follow this beginner-friendly 3-step formula. Are you in? These are just several different ways that you can model success off a Clickbank. So, check out what these guys are doing. Free traffic method. So here's some free traffic. So methods, Quora, Reddit, Craigslist, Tumblr, Pinterest. All these things, guys. Look at this. See all the free traffic methods here. You can actually click on that. It's insane. So LinkedIn markets, freelancers, copywriters. They tell you who to target. Quora. It's a very, very popular website for driving traffic, organic traffic to your offers. Facebook ad swipes. Look, he's got this couple ad swipes here. So you guys get the idea. I'm going to jump back here over to Clickbank. Again, if you guys are, looking for any type of specific offer, again, go over here on the left-hand side. So if you're in the health and fitness, if you're in, men's health, click on men's health. Get some of these. Well, okay, this is a little bit crazy, penis enlargement, but whatever floats your boat. Let's go to something else here. Let's go to yoga. So if you're in yoga, so click on, these affiliate links, affiliate pages, see what others are doing, model what they're doing, and model success, because that's what's working, and people are making a killing off of it. So if you guys have a similar offer, go in here, model success, and see what works. You're going to need to be testing your copy, testing your landing pages, testing everything. So hopefully that little trick was helpful for you guys. And again, if you don't have a Clickbank account, I'll leave a link down below. It's free to set up, so feel free to kind of browse around and